Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Now, scallions came from a family called alum family, and there's like garlic and salads and chives and onions and green onions. They all belong to that. And as like all fruits and vegetables, the onions also have lots of water. So when you cook them, it has most of it water, and then we have vitamins and minerals. So the onion, leek, chive, salad, they're all really very good for us. Onion, ginger, garlic, all three are antibacterial, antiviral, antimicrobial, antifungal, antiparasitical. So scallions are actually full of fiber, which is really good for our health, because as you know, fiber keeps us full for a long time, and also it cleans our digestive tract and keeps us regular every day. And fiber is good for reducing the bad cholesterol and increasing the good one, and also it keeps our arteries dilated. So it's good for lowering the blood pressure. When our arteries are dilated, the blood pressure is low. Thus, if the blood pressure is low or normal, then people don't get heart attack or stroke. So any kind of fruits and vegetables, if you just start writing down the benefits of eating them, you will see literally all the fruits and vegetables are made to keep us healthy. So if you can just get a 50 cents notebook from Walmart and start writing down that what every fruits and vegetable, what they do for our body, and at the end of the day, when you write about all the fruits and vegetable, you will find out that you really don't need to go to anywhere to get any kind of medicine. It's all in your fruits and vegetable. God has created it that way. And if you look at a fruits and vegetable, you'll see each fruits and vegetables are loaded with seeds. Unless they're GMO, then there is no seed. Otherwise, they're loaded with seeds for you to grow more and eat them. So basically, God has sent us with all the things that we need. So now, so they lower blood pressure, they lower cholesterol. Onion and scallions are the kind of vegetable, ginger, garlic, onion, chive, salad, because they blocks cancer growth, tumor growth, especially in the stomach. Now garlic, scallions, they both have something called allicin, which helps the cells not to turn to cancerous and slow down tumor growth and stop it from spreading. Now, how do you get this allicin to activate? You chop up your onion or scallions, or chop up your garlic, and then you keep it for 5 minutes, and you'll see it sort of gets little sticky, like it's be sticky. Then eat it, but raw. If you cook it and eat it with the high heat, it'll get destroyed. So you have to eat it raw. Onions and garlics and scallions have been used for thousands of years as natural medicine, even ginger too, to fight bacteria, fungus, and viral infections. It may kill off salmonella and E. coli bacteria. So the scallions and garlic and ginger, especially scallions and garlic and onion, the regular onion, they all these they kill off salmonella and E. coli bacteria. onion, scallions, they protect the body cells from oxidative stress as they are packed with phytonutrients and chemicals called antioxidants. Now they protect our cells from oxidative damage. You see, we breathe, and then after we breathe, we exhale. So after we breathe, our cells gets damaged with the oxidative stress. So that's why we have to take antioxidant goes like soldiers all over your body and hunts down the free radicals and destroys them. Free radicals what destroys our body because it creates the inflammation. So that's why the yogis always ate food which is anti-inflammatory. Now the world's the best anti-inflammatory food is the fruits and vegetables. Everything else you see causes too much inflammation, whether it's meat, fish, egg, or dairy or grains. Everything causes inflammation in the body. What does not cause inflammation is the fruits and vegetables and pure water. So the antioxidants found in scallions and garlics, like they act like flavonoids and polyphenols. They destroy the free radicals in the body, and these free radicals cause inflammation and causes us to age, causes our body to age and get diseases. So basically, if you live on fruits and vegetable and fruit juices, not only that you'll be free from all kinds of health issues, but at the same time you're going to look much younger. When I was little, I used to go with my grandma to certain yogis. My grandma was fond of a lot of these yogis and yoga gurus, and she always used to take me because that's where I started getting too much fascinated with the yogis and their lifestyle. But one thing, always I was so surprised that I would go to this yogi, and this yogi would be probably 80 years old. Grandma told me that he's 80 years old, but he would look like 30, and some of them look like 30, no, not even 40. They look so handsome, and they look so alive and full of energy and vibrant. And I always used to ask grandma that how could they look so handsome. And my grandma always told me, oh, don't speak like that. It's not good to speak about yogi like this. Don't call them handsome. They're gurus, yogis. We shouldn't even think about them. They're handsome. But that was not my point. As a young girl, I wanted to know what made them look so young. This was something very fascinating. And what they did is, after I watched their lifestyle, what they did is they lived on fruits and vegetable juices. They never consumed any animal protein, and they did yoga and meditation, and their lives were very stress free, and they followed a strict routine. They all used to get up 4 a.m. to their yoga and meditation and sadhanas, and then throughout the day they drank herbal teas like spice tea, and that's only. They did not drink any regular tea, coffee, anything like that. And then they drank pure water, and they lived on fruits and vegetables, pure fruits, and some of them ate little grain and some of them none, but this was their routine, and I was very fascinated with that. So when we cook our food, all the vitamin, minerals, and nutrients get destroyed. And so if we want our food to give us the micronutrients and vitamin and mineral, and protect our body, then we have to eat most of our food raw, and which is possible only if you eat fruits and vegetables. You can eat grains raw and you can eat meat raw, or not even fish or eggs. So I guess we are meant to eat fruits and vegetables. So, if someone is taking blood thinning medicine to prevent stroke, heart attacks, and blood clots, then they need to consult a doctor before they incorporate the scallions and garlic, because the scallions and garlics does the opposite. They thin scallion and garlic, they dilate our arteries, but they also have something called, especially scallions have vitamin K. Vitamin K actually does the clotting of the blood. Like when we have a cut, the clotting happens due to vitamin K. Now you see the people who are on blood thinning medicine, if they cut somewhere, the blood does not stop so easily. It takes special attention to stop that bleeding. So that's why when people go for a surgery, they need to stop their blood thinning medication, because otherwise they will bleed to death. But that's the work a scallion does, so we don't bleed to death when we cut. So be sure to ask your doctor before you incorporate if you're taking those medications. Now be sure to wash and clean the scallions thoroughly before you incorporate in the food. What I usually do is I wash, clean, chop, and I never eat the one in the ground, because that's the one with the soil and everything, and I never pull out the roots. I leave the roots. So after I cut and clean everything, then when my food is cooked and before taking out of the oven, I put it on the stove top, just the onion 5 minutes before I bring down the food. So I make sure I heat it up a little bit, wash, clean, then heat it up a little bit, so if there is any chance of getting any kind of virus, bacteria, or E. coli, or salmonella infections or anything, then it will be gone, because you wash, clean, and heat it up a little bit. So as you can see, the scallions are really good, and they're really good for us, and they have very little sugar or fat, and they're just like all other fruits and vegetables, lots and lots of water and vitamin and minerals. Now 1 cup of scallion have equal to the daily recommended dose for adult for vitamin K. So as I mentioned, vitamin K helps your blood to clot, so also it keeps your bones strong, and it has some vitamin C, about 25% of your daily recommended, and vitamin C protects your cells from oxidative damage. Now 1 cup of scallion have about 16% of your daily folate, a vitamin your body needs to make your DNA, which is very important, especially for pregnant women, because they need that folate, which will make their baby's DNA. So in summary, the scallions have loads and loads of vitamin, mineral, nutrients, and health benefit. It boosts our immune system. It keeps our digestive system good, because loads of fiber. It fights the cold, common cold and cold related diseases, prevents cold as it boosts our immune system, and it controls our blood sugar. And the main thing is it fight cancer, so stops the cancer growth. It reduces our bad cholesterol, increases our good one, and then it makes our eyesight very good. So it prevents our cells from free radical damage. And you know the free radical damage is what it is. for when we age, the cataract. Aging people have a cataract surgery because of the free radical damage in their eyes, and this protects that. The scallions protects that, and it's very low in calories. So you can have 2-3 cups of scallion, and this calorie is so little, and great source of vitamin K, vitamin C, and antioxidants. And I will include a recipe, couple of recipes probably for Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.